Like I said, this is the controls you need, so let's get to it. Oh, right. Sorry to keep you waiting. I can't even read, guys. I'm just gonna skim through this. If you have the Nintendo DS, which is not the 3D DS, Nintendo DS, it's just a regular Nintendo DS, this is actually a pretty cool feature. You can connect this to your Wii and get this to the Wild World. Okay, but we're gonna start fresh. Alright. Excuse me. By the way, is it February 13th? Actually, no, it's not. It is January, February, March, April, May, June. Let's see. I'm playing in the morning time. It doesn't actually matter what's the date. Okay, June 1st, 2015 at 10 a.m. That is perfect. Oh, I forgot to ask. What's your name? Plus G2. My name. Cool. Alright. I mean, I can't read big words like they got on here. I'm doing it. Kanto. That's it. Excited? I know all these words because they're really easy. This is the town hall. Kanto be next. Oh. So yeah. We are in Kanto. Bye bye. So. Now, plus is to do this. Check all the people abroad. Going the wrong way here. Now we're going here. Now you go over here to this one. Take it. That's where houses here. go up to the one that's closer to Tom. Milk a tree, it would be right there. Watch what I'll do. There, yeah, right there. By the beach. Of course, if this was the one with the bad wallpaper, you can just redo that, by the way. Tomorrow we will be doing Tom Nook's jobs. That's right. Ready to go. Hey, that's what I need who you can while you can. There's the Able Sisters. Whose house is this? Carla? I don't know who she is. We'll find her. See you in a minute. I'll go up here to the map because I can't see them now. Right there. Okay. Let me take a look here. I'm going to show y'all the quickest way to play movies tomorrow too. Well, I guess I'll take this house. There's Tom. There's the website that you can go to. Whoops. No, you come. Now, if you accidentally press that, you can just go right back in and just come right back out and say yeah and all that. C is like A and all that. So yeah. And don't worry, I'll have all Tom Nook's jobs done by tomorrow. We'll have my house paid off by tomorrow too. There's an easiest way to get money. No, that's okay. And I'll tell y'all that tomorrow. But until then. Yeah, you can. You see, I don't live far from Tom Nook's shop, so it doesn't matter. What's the matter? Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Hi! That's it for today's episode. So, and tomorrow we'll be back with more Animal Crossing. And I'll see you in Kanto tomorrow. Bye.